Hello. This week we're going to be starting working with Google Docs. You'll have an assignment to share with me at the end of this lesson. I'll show you how to do that. You will be needing to use your Lane school account. You have a Google Drive that is associated with your email. You will log into your email account and your Google Drive using your last name, first initial at my.lane.edu, and your password will be the same one as you use in MyLane. So let me show you my Google Drive and we'll see how you log in. So in the Google Drive, you can have Word documents, you can have Excel spreadsheets, you can have folders, and Google Docs. What we're going to do this week is take the Hammond letter from last week and you will drag it from your drive and drop it into the Google Drive. From there we'll make some editing changes and you will share that document with me. So I want to review how to find your Google Drive. You can go right here in Moodle and click on Google Drive, or you can open a new browser, and I have my drive open, and go to your Google Drive this way. So now that I'm on Google Drive, I will need to find my Hammond letter. So to find my Hammond letter, I need to use File Explorer. It's over in the lower left-hand corner of your screen, the folder. Click on the Explorer. And I happen to have mine right here on the desktop, so I could find it easily, but you can scroll through and look at your drive and see if you can find the file wherever you stored them. I have mine on the desktop. You could have it in Documents. On my desktop, I have different folders for my classes. So I might have it in my Word folder or my Fall folder, on my last name or under classes. But I happen to put it right on the top of my desktop so we could find it right away. So I found my Hammond's letter, and what I want to do is I just want to click on it once to get a hold of it, and then I'm going to drag it and drop it right here into Google Docs. Now it tells me that it's uploading and that the upload is complete, so I'll close this. And here it is right here. This is the letter I just dropped from my desktop to my Google Drive. Here are the instructions for this week's assignments. We're going to upload our Hammond letter to Google Docs. I've done that. We're going to open that file as a Google document and do 7 formatting changes and share that document with me. So I'm going to go back to my Google Drive. I find my Hammond letter. To open it, I'm going to double click. It is now, well, right now it's in a preview, but I want to open it, so I'm previewing it in Google Docs, but I want to open it as a Google Doc. So I'll click on that, and this is opening it as a Google Doc. And this is the Google Doc menu choices. We have File menu, Edit menu, View menu. It's a little different than the ribbon that you have drop-down menus. Instead of the ribbon, you can do undo, redo, open, download, and insert images, etc. So it's a little different as far as how you do things with the tabs. But you can also use the ribbon, and on the it's called the toolbar. I'm sorry, on the toolbar, it's very similar. If I want something to be bold, I highlight it, bold it. So you always select it first, just like in Word. Select it, make it italic, select, underline, select the text,